Alright, so today we're going to make a little something I like to call spaghetti burgers. And here we go. So first things first, we just take 2 regular hamburger buns and chuck them in the toaster. Okay, now that they've done popped out of the toaster, first you hit it with a little bit of butter, which will melt in there all nice and good. Get that good and spread on there. Get the other side too. What we're essentially doing is we are making garlic toasted hamburger buns, because we gonna throw a little garlic salt on there. And that butter is gonna melt into the heat from being toasted. You give a little more spread around if you need to, and then you just let it sit for a couple minutes, and then we'll see what happens next. All right, so we got ourselves a little bowl of spaghetti here, and then we got it all mixed up good and proper, and we're just gonna go ahead and start laying some on. It's gonna be a bit messy, but you just load them up. Well, all right, that's all there was to it, and now we get to enjoy them. And yeah, they're gonna be a bit messy, but they're gonna be totally worth it. I'm gonna try not to eat my hair this time. So good too. Like, if you do this once, this is like this is the only way I've been able to eat spaghetti ever since I first done it. Like, I can't live without it now. And it's pretty amazing. So give it a try and see what you think. I guarantee you won't not do it again.